Whether you're splashing around in the water, leading a parade, or just reading your favorite books, we can always add a little bit of mer magic. Let's pretend to be mer people together. Sit on your booty and give a little wiggle. Wiggle, 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 and freeze. Step your feet out in front of you and point to your knees. These are my knees. You say, these are my knees. My knees are pointing up. My knees are pointing up. My knees are pointing down. Grab your foot with one hand and reach your other hand up to the sky. Sing like a merperson. Ah. Now it's your turn. You could pretend to be a merperson all summer long.